how to buy Bitcoin on OKX app. So if you want to actually buy Bitcoin on the OKX app, you can simply open up the OKX application, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Right here you'll find this little option, which is the trade icon. You can tap on it, then you can first navigate to buy. To select Bitcoin from the top, currently USDT is selected, so right here I will select Bitcoin and uncheck everything else from here. Then I'll just tap on the add to favorites here, then I'll select BTC. Now once here I can simply enter the amount of BTC that, let's say, I want to buy. So I want to buy, let's say, 2 Bitcoin, then the total USDT would be $124,000. Then I can tap on the buy BTC option, confirm with the payment method, and then basically choose to buy it. And this way you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on OKX app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.